Now in this AWS Snowball tutorial, I'm going to cover Snowball concepts. I'm also going to cover how does Snowball works and benefits of Snowball. So let's get started. AWS Snowball concept. AWS Snowball is a physical device with huge storage which starts from 50 terabyte to 80 terabyte. It's designed to transfer large amount of data in and out of the AWS cloud. The AWS Snowball services use physical storage device to transfer large amount of data between Amazon S3 and your on-site data storage location. Now it is very fast and it is very faster than internet speed. By working with AWS Snowball, we can save time and money. Snowball provides powerful interface that we can use to create job. We can also track our data and track the status of the job through the completion. Snowball devices are physically rugged devices that are protected by AWS Key Management Services, which is AWS KMS. They are secure and protect our data in transit. Regional shipping carriers transport Snowball between Amazon S3 and our on-site data storage location. Snowball can be used to migrate or archive data as part of data center shutdown, tape replacement, or application migration projects. Let's understand how does Snowball works. You simply have to create a job in AWS Management Console and Snowball device will automatically be shipped out to you. Now for that, we have to log into AWS Management Console and we have to search Snowball. In the Snowball, we can create a job and we can also mention our job type where we want to import to S3 or export to S3. So there are multiple options in which we have to select one. Then we have to connect the Snowball to our local network and follow the instruction to select which files we want to transfer. Once the items are encrypted and transferred, the Snowball is shipped to AWS and can even be tracked with Amazon Simple Notification services. Now, if you want to learn more about the Snowball, we can always go to AWS Snowball FAQs. The benefits of Snowball. AWS Snowball is the simplest, fastest choice of large data migration to Amazon Web Services. AWS Snowball uses tamper-resistant enclosures with 256-bit encryption. It is also high speed. The internet connection are slow as they can take months to transfer the huge data. Now, if we have a 60 terabyte or 50 terabytes of data, and if you want to transfer that data through internet, it will take months. Now with AWS Snowball, it transfers the data within a week with the help of Amazon Snowball. And if you compare with internet, it may take months to transfer the data. The 50 terabyte Snowball costs $200 per use, and you can keep it for up to 10 days without average charges. 30 terabytes Snowball cost $250 per usage. Now it is very simple and compatible. It is very simple to connect to your existing networks and application. Now I have a small quiz question for you all. Does Snowball encrypt my data? Now you have to answer either yes or no in the comment section. Now this was about Snowball and I hope you all had something new to learn and understand. If you do have any queries, put those in the comment section box below and we would be more happy to get back to you with the answer as soon as possible. As far as this session goes, I would be resting it here. Thank you. Bye-bye.